with light going around the text. Give it a nice cinematic look in Eevee mode. So let's go ahead and click on the cube and click X and delete the cube. And we're going to add, let's go and add text. Let's grab the text by pressing G. And don't move your mouse. Once you press G, then we press S to scale. And let's scale it up nice. The next thing I want to do is rotate this text to a 90 degrees. So I'm going to press RX 90. And that gives me a nice 90 degrees. Now, what I want to do to extrude, want to give it some depth. So I'm going to go on the A. And let's center it first. Horizontal center, vertical center. So it's dead smack in the center. And let's go to geometry. And let's extend it out. And then let's go to bevel. And let's give a bevel of 1. Bevel gives you that nice bevel around the edge so the light hits that part. So now let's go here and let's delete the camera and let's delete the light. By pressing X, we can delete stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and add a camera. Let's add the camera. Where is it at? Now, let's go and click utilities. So let's see what it looks like. I'm going to delete this camera. I don't like what it's looking here. X. So let's go ahead and add a camera, frontal camera. And grab the camera. And I'm going to rotate the other way. So I'm going to press my global so we can actually grab it and move it up. So it gets a really good view. So it's in the view of the camera. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. Getting better. So let's go ahead, grab. I like to move it on. And let's go ahead and pretty easy. Just click on your move tool. It makes things a little easier to move. See, on the axis. Perfect. X on your Y axis. So let's take a look, see what it looks like. Getting better. Now another thing we can do, we can click on it right in here on the actual object, and we can scale it down. S, and bring it right in there. Okay. Perfect. So it's right in there. So the next thing we want to do is step out of there. Let's click on as utilities, bring it to the front. Let's zoom in. Okay. Now the next thing we want to do is let's go ahead and add the name of my business. Press tab. We'll delete it. P-A-R-A. Parafruit. So I'm going to go ahead and view again. Now it gets a little bigger. What should we do, guys? Pretty easy. Press G. Gotta click tab to get out first. Click on the G to grab, S, and let's scale that in. Perfect. Let's get out of there. Now, so right now we add the text, we add our camera. Okay, so now let's add a curve so that the light can follow the path. So I'm gonna go ahead and add curve circle. And we're gonna grab the circle, scale the circle, now the circle is, we need to rotate the circle so that the circle is the opposite way. Now to do that, let's click on the circle. grab, and rotate. Rotate, we're going to rotate on the y-axis. Nope, we're going to rotate on the x. That's what it looks like. Good. So now we need to scale this in. Let's bring it down a little bit more. So it's right around the edge. And then I'm going to click tab. Now tab gives me this so I can then grab it. Now to grab it, you got to be on what tool? The move tool. Pull it down, bring it closer to the piece. Do the same here. Click on your lines. Because this is the line, the curve that we want the light to follow. So it's going to follow this curve. Let's bring this. It looks good. Perfect. So now we got our curve. Now let's add a light point. So we're going to go here, add. Let's switch out. Add. Tab to apply. Don't forget that you got to add tab to apply it. Add a light point. Okay, let's go to light. Point. And when the light point to constraint, and we want it to follow a path. Okay. And what do we want it to follow is the Bezier circle. You got to tell it what's going to be. So right now we told the light to follow the path around the Bezier circle. Okay. So now we then go back out.